Man, it's already raining. I didn't think it was going to rain until noon today. I think this is supposed to stop. Wow, okay. I guess it'll be a wet ride. Yeah, I'm still headed out. So, okay. The rain is not that bad. Good morning, YouTube. You are riding with Ralph out on this Sunday morning, December the 10th. And I could not resist coming out for a Sunday morning ride. The temperatures are unbelievable. It is in the upper 50s, headed to the 60s today here in the DMV area, DC, Maryland, Virginia, that is. And as you can see, I do have my rain gear on. Now, the roads are a little bit damp. It's a slight mist coming down, but I think it's supposed to actually clear up here. It's going to remain cloudy, but then the rain is going to pick back up around noon. But it's about 8 o'clock now, 8 a.m. East Coast time. But I should be done by noon. I don't know how long I'm gonna stay out. We shall see. Man, I couldn't resist. Feels good out here, actually. Another Sunday fun day. I figured I'd take this Road Glide Limited out. Since when I looked at it in the garage, I realized the last time I actually had it out, it was actually raining and I didn't wash it. So it still has watermarks from the last rain ride. So instead of getting another bike dirty, let's continue to get this dirty. And I'll have our afternoon to clean it up. And while I'm cleaning it up, I'll go ahead and install that chrome shift linkage that I picked up from my local Harley dealership yesterday. That'll be my afternoon project today. So I'll turn on the TV in the garage watch some Sunday football. So Harley Davidson has done something that's kind of unprecedented. They have already started shipping 2024 models to the dealerships. And if you watch my video yesterday, you'll see that I had that I stopped by the local dealership yesterday, and they had, at least from what I saw and what I captured, 2 Road Glide 3s 2024 models there. The one in the shark skin blue, and the other one is the red rock, right? You have to actually see them in person. I know a lot of people say that a lot when you know they're taking pictures or doing videos, but it's true. But I really like that shark skin blue. Now I got to see a picture of that shark skin blue on a Lowrider S. Another Harley dealership here in Maryland actually has that in stock, the Lowrider S in shark skin blue. And I would surely like to see that in person. I think that's a good color for that Lowrider S. I mean, those Softails, Harley Davidson, and those Softails, they've changed the well, they're introduced a new chassis in 2018, I believe. And man, those bikes ride very well. And apparently they're becoming the hot seller. And I am seeing a lot of Softails out on the road, whether it be the Heritage Classics, the Lowrider STs, or the Lowrider S. And some of there's a lot of FX, a lot of Dynas out there, Softail Dynas out there on the road as well. Man, these guys, they love those Dynas, man. And I hope you guys and girls are able to get out, weather permitting, in your area. I know it's December, but Mother Nature has really blessed us. With these warm temperatures. That's fresh air. Oh. Helps the bike run cooler. And as you can see, the majority of the leaves are down. They have fallen. No leaves in the road, thank goodness. I think as we go further south here, the roads are drying up. Young man out for a walk early this morning. And this view right here never gets old. Looking out over the water here as we approach this bridge. Normally when I cross this bridge going into a different county, I make this my turnaround point. I don't think there are going to be many boaters out here today. And I may be wrong. We will see. It is quite windy. No boats in sight. Guy pulling a jet ski going the opposite direction. Maybe he changed his mind. Yeah, there are no boats. There are no trucks or trailers down here at the landing here. So not a good day, I would imagine, for boating. Wrap it up here. Continue with my ride. I'm getting close to my turnaround point. Again, thanks for coming along for the ride. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.